In front of me is DOOGEE V20, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select display, and here you will notice wallpaper. So just tap on it, and now click on system wallpaper and choose the picture that you would like to apply. You can obviously check all of them. You can also activate your lock screen preview and also home screen preview with all apps. So let's go back and let me pick, for example, this one. Then to set a particular picture on, tap on application and then decide if it's for your home screen only, lock screen only, or both of them. I will choose both. And as you can see from now on, this wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.